What's going on YouTube? Mase The Barber coming back to you guys with yet another video. Today's gonna be a little vlog. Today's gonna be a little vlog. So right now I'm at the shop. I'm about to eat. Got some Tim's. I got a little lazy this morning. But yeah, we're just waiting on our first guy. We're waiting on Zach. So I'll check back in with you guys when Zach's here. 10:29. Zach's supposed to be here in 1 minute. Let's see if he's here.
Is the highlight hard? No. You can. What you got, Ryan?
10:36. Zach just got here. What's good? What's up? There's no girls here, so you don't have to flex. Ew. What is that?
It's a royal though. Marcus told me that her and her man, yo. Okay, so yo, I finished all the names.
Give a wing, give a wing.
Yo, you know how here you have like the floor was soaked.
Your first video on YouTube.
What's wrong with it?
Yeah, you were the first one on YouTube.
Yeah, he roasted my hairline. Yeah.
Look at the hairline.
Look at this. What is that, bro? Yeah, get back the touch.
I swear. Can you tell you?
Can't see my nose. Just look straight, bro.
Where's up, YouTube? Follow me. All social medias,
Wait,
Surgical Blends. You already know. Down in the description. Thank you.
What did you say? Bro, real shit, this whole virus needs to be over so that I can do interesting shit for my videos.
What would you even do?
Bro, we'd go chill at Rube's house, go bowling, go karting, all that shit. Yeah? Bro, the parties are gonna be crazy, just wait on that. Bro, I'm telling you, the 10K Mase The Barber party is gonna be insane.
You, Mason, the biggest loafer and capper of all time.
What did you say? You wanna bet?
Bro, I'll bet you right now.
How much you wanna bet?
Yo,
If I hit 10K and Corona's over, bro, I'm having a party.
Okay. I bet that you won't.
Have a party?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll shake. What? Okay, $50. But stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a crazy party, I'm telling you. Today was a pretty busy day. We had all the boys. All the boys were in. So it was a pretty cool day.
Check your number 4.
Oh yeah, number 4.
Get your dirty camera out of my face, guy. Before I break it.
You wanna show them the case?
Have you ever seen that? Okay, so, yo, first of all, boom, Joker, you already know. Code, you can read it after, I'm not gonna. And then boom, Kotsky Clouds, you already know, for my weebs out there, you already know. My weebs out there.
Ew.
You already know. Yo, I'm the biggest weeb you know, bro. I'm proud of it too.
Ew.
I'm proud of it too, man.
Oh my god, Ronnie. Yo, what's good, guys? Come see Dojo the Barber. Mase The Barber's
No,
not good.
bro, what? I'm not putting this in the video, bro. Yo, only me in this video.
Only you?
Only me, bro.
Yeah, that's some selfish shit.
Damn.
Yeah, that's some selfish shit right there.
Okay, you guys can shout you yourselves out, but don't be saying Mase The Barber, blah blah blah. Say, come see me, Joji the Barber.
Come see me.
Not come see me, Joji the Barber, Mase the Barber's shit.
Ayo, let me say something real quick. Ayo, surgical plans. Come see me weekdays, the section barbershop downtown, and Sundays at Le Papillon Academy. You already know.
Shout out Mase The Barber, shout out Mase The Barber. Joji the Barber, come see me. I'm here on Thursdays, Tuesdays, and Fridays, and Sundays sometimes. Yeah.
Just because I'm
You need to get you a full-time barber, you know? I'm here every day.
Curvin.
Nah, he's
He's
only
like,
here
he's
4
like
days.
here when he wants to.
I'm here every day, you know, putting the work in. So if you guys need a
Shut
barber,
up, bro. Half of the time he's home, bro. Eggs and
Complaining
shit,
about his car.
Yeah, bro.
bro,
Fucking
show us the
breaking his car,
six-pack.
bro.
Show us the six-pack.
Yeah, show us the tubbers and stuff.
Bro, look at him with his
Come on,
big
let's see
ass-
the tubbers.
Bro, look at him with his big ass nose, bro. He's reaching all the way here, fam. Bro, yo, I can see his nose. Yo, I can see his nose.
Whenever he breathes, I feel the fucking,
Yeah, yo, you
I
feel
feel
the
like
air
the air
too.
coming to me, you know what I
feel
mean?
the air.
It's like a tornado,
It's like-
bro.
Oh
shit.
Yeah.
That shit's expensive, bro.
Alright, hold on.
Alright, later. Okay, I like how he said hold that to the vlog. Mad respect. I like how he said hold that to the vlog. He said like bye guys to the vlog. That's respect.
Hold on,
I forgot my keys. Typical Joji the Barber, I always forget my fucking keys.
Bye vlog. I miss you.
Bye guys, have a good night.
You might see them next Sunday. We don't know. Alright. Time to close up, clean up a little bit real quick. Then we're out of here. I gotta go edit a video. Pretty chill day. Time to go home, chill out. Peep the snow. It's snowing, it's mad nice. Bro, this is one thing that I hate about winter, you know? You gotta
Clean your car, bitch.
clean your car. You wanna do mine for me?
No. What do you think this is?
Before you clean it, the key to success is before you clean your car, you have to turn it on so that it warms up and then you're perfect when you go in. God damn, bro. I swear. Wait, hey, hold on. Okay, time out, bro. Yeah. Keep taking snow off my car, you idiot. Yeah, not a big fan of the snow, but snow means ODR. ODR means outdoor rink. Outdoor rink means Mase the Barber used to be a phenom, a hockey phenom, you know. So could have went to the league, but didn't want to, and you know I wanted to be a barber. So I was tired of embarrassing my friends too, you know, like Walker, Julian, Durrell, Finn. All you dogs, all you guys, Christian too. I always felt bad embarrassing them, so I said, you know what? It's time to hang up the skates, you know. I'm not that type of guy to put my friends down and all that, you know. So, yeah, we just hung up the skates, and now we're a barber trying to make it on YouTube, you know.
So that's for, it's for Tuesday?
Oh shit. Home sweet home. Alright, just got home. I gotta edit a video. It's a haircut tutorial. It should be up by the time this video is up, so if you guys haven't seen that, go check it out. But yeah, so before I edit that video, I think I'm gonna go take a shower. So I'm gonna go take a shower, edit the video, and then check back in with you guys once I'm done editing the video. So I just finished filming the voiceover part of the haircut tutorial that I posted. It's gonna be the last video before this one. Just finished doing that. Now it's time to edit it, and then I'm gonna call it a night, go to bed, because we have work tomorrow morning. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. New videos every week. I'm gonna try to be posting about 1 to 3 videos a week. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.